London-bound Air India crashes with the 242 passengers on board. Sanabina mashukunukwa kunzi aiwa there is an aeroplane yakachibva muIndia aiwa ichienda kuLondon. Panguva ino yokrasha ine vanhu 242 ndobva subscribe like watomba bell yakuti ime vanobuda nyika muchinzi. An India flight bound for London has crashed in India's western city of Ahmedabad. The Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner headed for Gatwick Airport was carrying 242 people, including 230 passengers and 12 crew members, the airline and police officials said on Thursday. Flight A1171 operating Ahmedabad-London Gatwick was involved in an accident today, 12 June 2025, an Air India spokesman said in a statement on X. At this moment, we are ascertaining the details and will share further updates at the earliest. The crash occurred as the aircraft was taking off, television channels reported. Police did not specify whether there were any casualties, saying that it crashed in a civilian area near the airport. Visuals showed debris of fire, with thick black smoke rising into the sky. They also showed people being moved in stretchers and being taken away in ambulances. Domashwaru Oyama developments aiwa atino kuti aeroplane yokrasha ichangosimuka aiwa pa airport aiwa in one of India's states panguva ino yakananga ku London. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino sezvo mukona mapictures umu panapa tona kuti their channels vane vachiti they are going to share further details aiwa as time goes on. Tudze mafungiro enyu mati kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi au mina kuma section menu za mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like to the bell icon.